Hello, good evening, everyone. Hello. Today, uh, I will explain you how to make painting, acrylic painting on chart paper like this. So let's start. Hello. First of all, first of all, we take chart paper like this. Then we will apply acrylic paint on this base with flat brush. Hello. Yeah, almost all artists make acrylic paint on canvas, but if we have not available canvas, then we can make on chart paper also. But we must apply acrylic base on this, on whole chart paper, like this. I done this before 10 minutes ago. It is dry now. Now I am going to paint on this. Is it visible? I hope it is visible now. Okay. First of all, we apply tape on this whole side. Like this. Yeah, almost all artists make acrylic painting on canvas. But if we have not available canvas, then we can make on chart paper also. But we must apply acrylic paint on this. I applied 10 minutes ago. Uh, so that's why it is dry now. And now I am going to paint it on this. Is it visible now? Okay. First of all, we apply white paint, acrylic white paint on this mixing plate with this sponge. We can also make with this brush, and if you have not brush and a sponge, then you can make apply with cloth also. It is very easy to buy from market. You can say it is a bathing a sponge. You can buy it easily. Acrylic paint. It is very easy to make in just 10 minutes. Now we apply yellow paint, yellow fabric paint on this. Firstly we press on this, then after we will apply on this. Now we will use red paint on this red acrylic paint. Firstly we press on this, then we press on this. Now we apply black paint on this. Now we apply black paint, black fabric paint. We must press dark in outside. We take paint, then we must press on this. You can easily get this sponge from market. You can say bathing sponge also, and otherwise you can apply with cotton cloth also if you not have this. Taking red paint again, we mix red and black, then it will be maroon. Now we apply red paint again. Like this. Now it is when it dried, then we make other work also. Now you guys ask me any question if you want to ask. अपने साइड में टेप किया है या मैंने टेप लगाया है साइड में, और जैसे ही ये ड्राई होगा मैं इसे निकाल दूंगी. If you want to any question, ask to me any question. Soumya Kumari, if you make this painting, we will provide your training certificate from Fabricul Hobby Ideas. So if you want to make a cardboard पे paint करें, या I am making on cardboard just like this chart paper. Almost all people make on canvas, but if you have not available canvas, then we can make on this with apply. Firstly we apply acrylic base on this whole side with this type brush. We will apply, if you want to white painting, then we can apply white paint on whole side. Then after we will make painting on this. Any question? Okay, now I'm going to sketch. Okay, is it okay? Is it visible? Okay, now I am remove this tape. See this finishing of. It is very. We can apply Fabicol here. It is not dry now. You must remove tape after dry it. That's why it is okay. Now I am going to sketch on this. It is okay. I am making tree and bird. Directly we can make, and you can make other design also if you want, as your choice. After drying it, you will remove this tape. Okay. Is it visible? Okay. You can apply other color also, sky, pink, but we must use combination color. If you apply yellow, then uh, combination color is yellow, orange, red, black. If you apply green, sky blue, then you must apply all cool color. It is warm color. Now I am going to make bird on these uh, two birds. Okay, now I am going to make leaf on this. Where is my 2 number round? Okay, it is very. Is it visible? If you want to ask any question, you write me message. Tomorrow we will meet again 3 to 4 p.m. We will make Warli painting on kameez with potato in just 10 minutes. A very easy way. It is fabric paint and it is very shinier. And now we will make so many leaf on this with thin brush. Now we make so many leaf on this. It is dry. uh, Now see this one. This is also fabric paint. I made it on. It is very shinier. You can see I made it on chart paper. And this is color combination. This is cool color and this is warm color, and it is opposite color also. When we apply cool color, then we apply whole warm color on this. When we apply sky color on this, then we not use this type of color. We will use only this type of color: green, yellow, light pink, etc. And I made it also with knife. And see this one, it is from marriage card. I made it with a fabric color on this Varli painting. Now if you want to ask me question. क्षितिज, प्रशंसा, Nirupama. If you want to ask any question, you can ask me. And today we will meet again, same time 3 to 4 p.m. We will make Varli painting on cloth, kameez, in just 10 minutes with potato, very easy way. Okay, Soumya, you want to ask any question? You can write. Okay, you see also this na. It is very shinier, and this is acrylic paint on chart paper. And this one is also, I made it now. Is it beautiful? And you can ask any question, and it is easy, very easy painting. We made it just 10 minutes, you see. And if you want to ask any relation of any color combination questions related to, if you want to ask, it is warm color and this is cool. Now today I made warm color painting, and if you apply cool color, then you not use this type of color. You always you must only use pink, sky green, and this is cool. No, Nirupna, Soumya, you have no any problem, no any doubt. And I made it on marriage card, Varli painting with this fabric paint. Okay, we will meet again tomorrow, same time. I made it with knife. If you have not available knife, you can make also with hand. Okay. Pink is warm color or cool? Cool color. Light pink. Pink is cool color. Yeah, tomorrow I will come again. Same time 3 to 4 p.m. We will make cloth fabric paint with Varli painting on this. Yeah, with potato. You will must take tomorrow one cloth for kameez and acrylic paint, and potato also, one knife. Okay, Akriti, if you want to ask questions. Question me. Is it beautiful? And it is easy also. Okay, we will meet again tomorrow. Bye.